I'm just having one of those days where everything is hazy. I've been feeling all lost, just lazy. What is it that I'm searching for? I guess I'm bound to keep coming, I'm sure. Accountable, unfortunate, sort of poor sport if I morphed into. I've resorted to being a doorstep to fortitude. No floor to step on it, I'm surely falling through. Sure, I'm lacking attitude, a glorious life, no gratitude. Yeah, I'm through, sick of saying can I do. I'm making a wish that I'm going through. Y'all don't believe me, do you? Mountain up, there's the climb out. Does anybody wanna get out of here? Yeah. Been held down for too long, this is how I'm breaking out. We're climbing. Nah, they never thought that we'd be challenging this time. We valiantly climbing out. Like y'all gotta call me Dracula, climbing out of my coffin, stylish as in a